Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anita C. It's an October weekend. I'm in Hong Kong and we're doing some hiking. We just took the ferry from the Central Pier and then now in the Mui Wo in Nantao Island. So we are walking up thousands of stairs and then going to Discovery Bay. So this is the way to go. So just follow us. Okay, so you have to walk past the entire Silvermine Bay Beach and go to the very end to get into kind of the entrance for the hiking trail to go to Discovery Bay. Okay, so this is where it all got started. So you have to climb up a little bit before even reaching the starting point of the stairs. Okay, so this is the beginning of the 1,000 steps climb. After about 600, 700 steps, there's one shady area. Okay, we're at step 888. We always like to take a photo here. So passing the 888 mark, we still have about 200-300 steps to climb in order to reach the pavilion. Okay, we are very close to the top, very close to the pavilion now. Okay, so after you pass the pavilion, this is the view. This is why you are climbing up all the stairs to go up and take a look on this. Okay, so coming down from the pavilion, following the route to Discovery Bay, about 20 minutes or so, we reached the chapel. So I'm going to quickly show you. It's a chapel built in 1960. And I don't think it's open, but I'm going to quickly show you. Actually, it's open. So this is the door of mercy. Okay, you can see we're actually walking the reverse route, so the numbers are going down, not going up, but that tells you the whole story, at least. Okay, after you pass cross number 5, you need to pay extra attention if you're going to Discovery Bay, because this is the hidden path. Okay, you actually have to go here. Okay, you see there's a hidden sign here that tells you this is the way to Discovery Bay. And if you didn't turn here and go straight down, we did it several times, made mistakes, you can never get to Discovery Bay. So you have to walk all the way up and find this path, and then from here to go to Discovery Bay. So this is our secret tip. Still have to pass through a small village, but Discovery Bay is in sight. So that's the exit. You walk out from here. You just turn left and then you are heading to the shopping center and the plaza. So the Sunday market is not closed yet, so we will walk around before having a drink and have dinner at Discovery Bay. Okay, so now you're back at Discovery Bay. We are going to have a drink and we're going to have dinner here as our usual reward after the hiking. But if you like, you can take the ferry back to Central or take the bus back to the MTR station.